Hey, John Crestani here, and today we're going to be going over launch jacking, how to make $500 a day doing this kind of super niche technique of getting traffic doing internet marketing, but it's extremely targeted, and this is one of the traffic methods that's gotten a very good portion of internet marketers their very first commissions. So I'm going to go over this traffic method in detail and how you can use it for yourself with my daughters.
Anything that you desire means that you have love, Presto, and name, and love.
Let's go. Hey, John Crestani here. Now we're going to be going over how to make money launch jacking in this. I'm going to show you how you can make $500 launch jacking, but this is one of the most important skills that you can learn, and it will be just a really easy way to make your first commission online. So the first thing to know is that predicting where traffic will be is a very important skill. Predicting what search terms people aren't looking for today, but people will be looking for tomorrow is very good insight. And just like the stock market, you can make a lot of money if you know where the ball is moving. Now, new products launch all the time. New companies launch new brand lines, marketers launch new products, right? I'm launching a product called Marketing Tech soon. A way you can make money is by being the first person to put up a page talking about a product that hasn't launched yet.
And all the fame and good you are watching where you're going. So don't ever walk forward, and if you see anything, then it's okay. Siblings are there. So if you want to see me anytime, you can see me.
Yeah. Now, one space in particular where products are launching all the time is the internet marketer space. A lot of marketers like myself are constantly launching new products and new traffic methods. I mean, first off, because our space is changing all the time, and second off, because marketers just love selling more stuff. Now, the traffic is predictable for launches, and if you can position yourself first, you stand to make a good deal of money. My mentor in this space, Kelly Felix, who was also known as the Rich Jerk, made a lot of his money doing launch jacking, getting like a blog post ranked on Google for products that hadn't launched yet, and thousands of his students have as well. Now, the way to go about this and figure out what courses are launching next or what products are launching next is to find a site or forums that talk about new product launches. And one of the sites in the internet marketing space, which I'm most familiar with, is Muncheye. The other site is JV Newswatch. Both of these sites have lists of all the new products that are launching, and you can easily find out what people are creating new products or courses in the internet marketing space, and then just create a video or a blog post or a social media group around that upcoming product launch. And when you're first, you'll see a lot of that traffic flowing to you and flowing to your affiliate links for that product. That all brings us around to our third point, which is you're really ultimately driving traffic to your affiliate links. So you're using your blog posts and your video posts or whatever you have ranked, or maybe it's a Facebook group for these product names, you are including your affiliate link for these products somewhere on the page or for a similar product. And when people search and find it, they end up going to your affiliate link. And these videos or blog posts or groups or whatever you create to rank at the top of Google for the keyword searches, they don't need to be elaborate. They can be really simple. What matters is that you're getting there first and ultimately creating the highest rank. Now, one thing to note about this method is there will be a little bit of like churn in the sense that you won't always hit a winner, right? Some launches fail, some products fall flat, some people don't market their new products or courses very well, so you don't end up seeing a lot of traffic. In my case, right, we're launching a software called Marketing tech. We're not going to make a lot of fanfare about the launch. We're not doing a big press releases or any of that stuff. What we're doing is simply we're just changing over super affiliate system, and one day you'll see all the branding is marketing tech. But over time, you end up, maybe 1 in every 5 products that you rank for becomes a winner. Maybe 1 in every 10. But either way, you start making money online. And if you create consistency in your marketing business where you are consistently ranking on the top page of Google for new product launches, you'll end up creating a very significant business for yourself. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. And as you know, I give away free money every single Monday. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell. And yeah, I give away hundreds and hundreds of dollars every week to my subscribers. Also, if you want to be more involved in our community and involve yourself with other entrepreneurs that are working on making money online, thanks Lou, then make sure to join the Discord group, which is our free training forum, down in the link below. Thanks again. Like for Lily.
Like for you guys, bye!
Guys, this is my beautiful daughter. Like for her. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you agree. I think we have a budding YouTube star in the house, and it's not me. Have a good one. Bye.
Within the first few exercises, I did the exercises immediately, and I got immediate sales, and I just couldn't believe it.
I'm freaking excited today. If you guys can tell, I got my first sale. Oh, actually, I got 2 of them.
Hi, John. I wanted to take a quick moment to give you a quick testimonial. Yesterday, I made my first online affiliate commission. I'm absolutely, totally excited. And for the first time, I really see that, I have a future in this and I have someone who has my back. So again, John, just thank you so much for your time to just help everybody in the group and just to give us, nothing but value week after week after week. Again, thank you so much.